Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to install Oracle Database 12c in Linux operating system. Firstly, make a search for download Oracle Database 12c R2 Linux. Open first URL. This is the first link. Press on it. Start to save the downloaded file. Database finish download. Extract it. Okay. Take this path, copy and open WinSSP as root user, and make new session as Oracle user. Open mobexter, enter password for it, open as root user, and as Oracle user. As root user, make directory u01. Okay, I created it before, but it may be in your case not created, so write this command. Open WinSP using Oracle user, drag database from my machine to virtual machine. Okay, then start and install some packages, prerequisites for database using root user. Press enter to start installation. During installation of package, go to this directory using root user. In file, limits, property, make it 777. Take this value, copy, and paste this value here. Save it. Next step, to execute this command using root user. Okay, installation completed successfully. Last command, for packages. Yes. Then take this command one by one, copy, is kernel parameters. Then I check this path, this file. Then start installation using Oracle user. Probability, make it 777. Check this box using Oracle user here. Take this path, run installer slash run installer and press enter to start in installation Oracle database. It started successfully. I check this checkbox and click next. Yes. Create and configure database. Next. Server class. Next. Single instance database installation. Next. Typical installation. Next. This is suppose for Oracle page. Okay. I check this checkbox. Write password for this user like welcome one. W capital. Okay. OSDB or install. This is the path for directory that will install database in it. Press next, next again, pre-check, check for install database, press install. It requires to run these scripts using root user, ticket copy, using root user, run the script. Second script, this one. Enter full path name of the local bin directory. This one. Press no. Then press OK to complete setup. Database is installed successfully. Press close. Then let's choose start SQL Plus using Oracle, export Oracle base and Oracle home, Oracle SID, start SQL Plus using sys user. Okay, it started successfully. Unlock HR schema. Okay, make a select from table departments. Let's select from employees. Maybe the spelling for departments was wrong. Currently, we are in uh, sys schema that not have department and employees. Make exit. Connect to HR. Take this. Select statement copy. Run it. Data featured successful. Exit. At this time, we successfully installed Oracle Database 12c in Linux virtual machine. Thank you.